In this video, we'll show you how you can use Spotify in white mode or light mode on your Android phone. So as you can see, Spotify by default opens in dark mode and there's no way to change that. But to fix this, what you need to do is open the settings app, scroll all the way down and then find accessibility. In this menu, tap on vision enhancements. Now here you need to go ahead and select this color inversion option. Now here go ahead and enable this color inversion shortcut. Now tap on it. Now it will give you several methods to activate this color inversion shortcut. So the easiest one is to simply tap on this quick settings panel shortcut. So simply select the first option. Once you have done that, open the quick settings panel. And here you will see this new shortcut right here. So this is the shortcut for activating the color inversion. On some phones it may appear right here. However, once you have done that, open the Spotify app. Now open the quick settings panel and then tap on the color inversion shortcut. Now go back. So as you can see, Spotify is now looking like it's in the light mode. So this is a workaround that you can use. There's no official method to do this. Now anytime you want to disable it, simply open the quick settings panel again and then turn it off. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.